Namaskar friends. Managing self and others for higher performance is very much important to understand. For higher performance, how we can manage self and others, this we will discuss today. In a very brief video, we'll see that what are the important tips, what are important points to understand. First of all, it is important to understand managing self. Managing self is understanding self. Managing self is increasing self-discipline, self-awareness, and so several things. And there are 8 dimensions, or we can say 8 factors which affect in managing self. First of all is health. We all know health is wealth. Since our childhood, it is being said, if we are healthy, we have everything. We can manage everything. And how we can become healthy? We can become healthy by taking exercise, doing yoga, meditation, having proper diet, proper sleep. We can become healthy. When we are healthy, then we can manage rest of the things. Another thing is thoughts. As we think, so we become. If we think positive, then everything will become positive. If we think negative, then everything becomes negative. Everything depends upon our thoughts. The next is emotions. How we manage the emotions. Emotions with others. How attachment we have with others. Profession. We have to see in our profession what are the gaps, where we are, where we want to be, how to fill the gaps, and what are the various methods to fill the gap. And time is most important with respect to others too. And in time, how we manage the time, what are our priorities, how we plan our work, how we do our work, what are our important tasks, what are our urgent tasks, and how we do this. And in time, 2 things are most important: what we have planned, how we have covered, and why we have not covered. And finally, 3 more things are included in this. Relationship. How is our relationship with others, with our family, in our profession, and with ourselves? We have to see what is my relationship with myself, whether what I am thinking, or what others are thinking. Stress is of 2 types. One is given by another people, and one is our own created. We have developed several type of stress by our own. Why I am like this? Why I am like this? Why I couldn't achieve? What will happen to me? Why it has happened to me? And by others, why he is like that? Why he has abused me? Why he is doing like this to me? This type of stresses are there, which do not help us to improve. Which do not help us to improve for our performance. And finally, the change. Most of the people don't accept the change. They are rigid. They think what they are doing is okay. And why don't they accept the changes? They have a fear. They have a fear that they cannot achieve this. So they don't accept the changes. They don't want to see the improvements. They don't want to come out of the box. So friends, these are certain points where we can concentrate for managing self and others for higher performance. And in detail, we will discuss in next video. Please look to the next video, which is in detail for all these things. And it is important for everybody to understand and manage self. Thank you.